This is Carbon Gold Biochar Biology Blend. We call it our organic rocket fuel. It's jam-packed with the beneficial nutrients and the biology that keeps your soil healthy and your plants well-nourished and protected from disease. A little goes a long way. When you add it to the soil, it's a permanent solution. It helps your soil retain water and nutrients. You can use it with herbs, for example, by mixing it with your compost when you're potting up, or you can just use a handful as surface dressing on existing herbs. For houseplants, just a teaspoonful around the base of the plant is all you need. For tubs and baskets, a handful around the base of the plants, and then just fork it in. When you're growing vegetables, sprinkle a little along the seed drill before you sow your seeds. When you're planting out plugs, just dust the base of the plug before you put it in the ground. Take care not to overwater, because the biochar contains mini pores that are like reservoirs of water that keep moisture available for your plants, even when the surface of the soil may look dry. Carbon Gold Biochar Biology Blend is available in 2 pack sizes, a 1 liter tub and a 4 liter carton. Carbon Gold, saving the planet, one garden at a time.